As at 3 weeks ago, the kidnapper come to this town that they call Garaka, Tafa local government in Niger State. They kidnap about 5 people and they ask for the ransom of 5 million naira, which the people of the community donated and paid them before they released them. In 4 days ago, they came again in the large number, kidnap another four set of people and ask for the ransom of almost 30 million naira, which people have not able to afford to pay. And in the midnight of yesterday, stroke this morning, they came and kidnapped more than 15 people in their various houses in the midnight. And this one lead to the people of this community come out in large of their number, that they cannot afford to pay the money. The government should come to their aid to come and rescue them, to come and take. The purpose of the government of Nigeria is their work is to protect life and property of the citizen, and their life and their property has not been protected by the federal government of the Nigeria, by the state government of the Nigeria, even by the local government. So that you can see people, everybody have said that they are not going to work, they are not ready to go to work, they are going to stay by the roadside. They block what is going on now. This is the major road that linked from Abuja to Kaduna to Sokoto to Kano, everywhere. They block it since 7 a.m. in the morning today up till now. There is no movement that go from different parts of Nigeria to other side, from eastern to north of Nigeria. This is the situation on ground now. So they have called the set. We can even call it the largest city in Niger State. You can see the people, they come out in the millions of them. Some people have even started to play football match on the express road. You can see them. They have turned into football match now. Let me move forward. You can see set of in-laws of army that they pack for guiding, because I don't know their purpose of being there for now. They are there, and as at a couple of a time ago, the main Garaka police station was burned because of the misbehavior of one of a police officer that shot direct bullet to some of the protesters and hit him by his right hand. So that one lead to the protester to get angry and burn down the police station of the town. So you can see what is going on. You can see army vehicle was parked, but they are not reaching anybody. They are not talking to anybody. They are just parking on their own. You can see it. I think they are trying to collect phone from people that knows God, that you don't go far close to them. They are collecting phone, they are collecting things from people. You know how the Nigerian military behave. They have started stationing people. The situation have changed to another era now. They are starting. It's like the dimension is going to another angle. You can see the dimension is going to another angle now. It's going to another angle now. People have started running. We don't know what's going to happen. For the next few minutes, we don't know what's going to happen now. People have started running. People have started running now. People have started moving from one place to another. We can't believe that this one can be happening in Nigeria. Nigeria complained that they voted these people in to the for the post of president, governor, local government chairman, councillor. They have all these people on their seat, and people are terrorizing them, kidnapping them every day by day, asking for somebody. People have even said that it's the politician that are doing this. They are trying to get money for election of 2023. That's the comment of the people, that what they are saying now. That they are the politicians and the people that are selling these people to go and kidnap people. So they ask for the ransom money to get the money. They can save enough money for their seats for 2023. That's part of the complaint of the people. I don't know how true that one is. I don't know how true it is. But that's what we are hearing from them. That's why people come out that, okay, this one don't cause beginner. Don't talk to another thing. You don't talk to, we no go gree, we no go gree, we no go gree. No moving, no moving, no moving. Stand still. All the vehicle, all the trailer that wanted to travel from one place to another, all of them are parking. There's nobody can cross the town that we call Garaka, Kaduna Road, to other side or the other part of the country. You can see how long the queue of the go-slow. Everybody queue. Some people have even carried their luggage in to trek down to the other side. Maybe by then they can board another vehicle. You can see people they come down from inside the go-slow. You can see them moving. They are moving. They are moving. All the businesses in this environment was shut down for today. I think some of them say Taxes is a shame for this country. Some of them say that it's a pity. Someone even said that we don't even doubt if you have we have a government in this country. Some people said we don't even have the president, because I think that something happens at 7 a.m. in the morning. Somebody needs to attend to them. There is nobody. It's only the chairman, local government chairman, that came down and saying rubbish, and people try to attack him because he cannot talk in reasonable and as a politician. So that one caused another confusion. You can see they have even crossed the road to park. Some people are sleeping already. You can see people sleeping already. You can see the filling station, everybody is locked down. Nobody is selling. Nobody is buying. You can see people moving. You can see. I don't know how long they are going to trek, because even they trek throughout of today, they cannot get out of this incident. You can see how far. I cannot get to the end of this go-slow. I cannot get out of the to end of the end of it. All the motor park and block both the two sides, both to and fro, they block each other. Even if they even release the road today, more than till end of today, the road cannot be open. Everywhere is blocked. No going back, no going front. You can see. This is the situation we meet ourselves in Nigeria, insecurity. This is the situation we are meeting in ourselves in Nigeria. The purpose of having a president, the purpose of having a governor in the state is to serve the state and the country for the sake of life and property. But in the situation of Nigeria, it's not like that. It's other side. You cannot be in your house and sleep with closed eyes. No, it's strong. They cannot. People say that they cannot take this one anymore. You can see people. The road closed up to the where they call Aluminium Market in Kaduna Road. You can see all the shop was locked up. I hope and I pray so this one is not going to worse more than EndSARS, because this is the other side of it. When people cannot go to work, they cannot sleep, this one is going to worse than EndSARS. Because up till now, there's no representative of the governor of the state, no representative of the anybody from National Assembly or from the federal capital, because the Niger State is very close to the federal capital in Abuja, and there is no how somebody can tell us that they are not aware of this. But what they believe that they are less concerned. What they believe is they are less concerned because their family has not been kidnapped. Their family are not the victim. So they are playing their own legitimate life, that they are less concerned is the poor people is living in that area, and they don't even count them as human being. That's why nobody turned up to since 7 a.m. up to now. Nobody. They cannot see any single government officer to come and attend to them, and to come and talk to them, and to come and say anything about it. They just leave them. What they believe, what I know that what the government of Nigeria believe is that when they are hungry, they will leave the road. That's their believing. And which is not going to, it's going to go to the other side of this one. They are going to go to the other side of it. Because the people have said they are not going to agree for them until they go into the bush to go and get the people, the victim. More than 15 people overnight. They picked them from inside their room. They shot many of them. Many of them, they shot them. They shot them. They shot them. And this kidnapper, there's no only other set of people they call Fulani X-Man. The eyewitness that see them say he saw them. There's one guy that escaped that say he saw them through his window. They are all playing Fulani X-Man. They cannot even speak correct English. So this is the situation on ground. This is where we are in Nigeria. No security in Nigeria. Nobody is safe. You cannot travel. You cannot move from one place to another. You cannot travel. You cannot go anywhere. Even to sleep in your house, you cannot sleep in your house with your eyes closed. You can see people trekking, trying to use their leg to cross to the other side of the road. Maybe they will get another vehicle. But who knows the ends of this? Nobody. They are just trying their best. You can see them. This we are doing. Today is Monday morning that everybody is supposed to go to his own work, to go for his own activities of today. But this is where we meet ourselves. This is what we can see. This is all we can see for today. The fear of people is that even if they said that they are going to their house now, nobody know who they are going to come pick in the night again. Who will be the next victim where they go come carry? Who will be the next victim where they go come carry, where they go come kidnap before they break again? So it's better if they, instead of them to go out to go and sleep, make them go day road. The people wey wan come kidnap them, if they don't meet anybody for us, make them come meet them for road. Make them go see each other face to face. And the condition of this country be that. Casino. Some people call this kidnapper carnival in Garaka, under Tava local government, Niger State. Okay, somebody is asking what is happening here. This is Niger State. Don't forget, this is Niger State. This Kaduna Road, that's between Suban and Kaduna. What is going on is kidnappers have tried to turn a town that called Garaka to empty. They wanted to turn the town to be empty. They have started kidnapping them since 3 weeks ago, day by day. But the worst one happened overnight, that they kidnapped 15 people and asking for that sum of more than 100 million naira. So our people now say they are not go agree, until government come and look for those people and bring them back. Now waiting to happen with that.